Alright, so this is target practice. I find that it's actually better without the scope. Actually, I've only tried it I've only shot these things right here like a couple of times, but I find it better without the scope thing. So let's see how much targets I can hit. Alright, so here we go. I got the gun loaded, and let's see if I can get some good shots. And I'm pretty far, so I'm down all the way in my hallway, shooting from an angle too, so this should make it a bit harder. And I'm not using any scopes, as you can see, so here we go. It's not bad with no practice at all. I got all three without missing a bullet, so let's try again. Alright guys, so we're going for our second attempt. I think I have about 4 or 5 bullets in there. Let's see if I can get all three at once. Well, not at once, but without missing. Let's do this. Oh, I missed one bullet, so that sucks. Let's try again. There we go. But yeah, the only bad thing about this is every time I shoot, I have to cock this back and then shoot. But other than that, freaking sick.